a natural and super nourishing fertilizer for your plants that makes your flowers grow like crazy. No chemicals, yet it works better than anything you'll find in stores. The first ingredient is aloe vera, a plant full of vitamins, minerals, and natural growth boosters. It helps regenerate roots and keeps the soil moist. Cut 2 mature aloe leaves into small pieces, pour about 2 cups of water into a small pot, and add the chopped aloe. Stir well. The next ingredient is banana peels. They're a real treasure rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which strengthen flowering and help plants produce new buds. Add 2 banana peels to the pot. Then it's time for eggshells, a great source of easily absorbed calcium that strengthens plant cell walls and protects them from disease. Crush them finely and add them to the pot. Simmer everything on medium heat for about 10 minutes, long enough for the nutrients to blend into the water without losing their properties. Pour the mixture into a large bowl with about a quart of fresh water to dilute it. Once it cools, water your plants with it, using about half a cup per plant every 2 weeks. This fertilizer is perfect for potted and flowering plants, giving you lush leaves, intense blooms, and rapid growth. Water your poinsettia with this mixture, and it will bloom throughout the holiday season. Its leaves will stay healthy and strong. This trick was shared with me by a gardener who specializes in winter plants. Preparing this fertilizer is incredibly simple and quick. Start by adding a packet of dried yeast to a container. Prepare 200 milliliters of warm water, pour it over the yeast, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, add 300 milliliters of cow's milk. The protein in milk is a source of organic nitrogen, which can benefit plants by promoting growth. It also contains calcium, an essential nutrient, especially since poinsettias are not the easiest plants to grow. Falling leaves are often caused by exposure to low temperatures. The optimal temperature for this plant is 20 degrees Celsius, but if your room is a few degrees cooler, the leaves will retain their vibrant color for longer. Use a syringe to draw up the milky fertilizer. Just a few milliliters will do. Pour it around the stems on the soil. This treatment strengthens the plant and provides essential microelements for blooming. Repeat this process every 2 weeks. Your poinsettia will look stunning all winter long. This method ensures its longevity, keeping your home beautifully adorned for longer. An organic fertilizer that will make your plants burst into bloom. Ever since I started using it, my neighbors can't stop admiring the results. Grab a large glass jar and a few bananas. Peel the fruit, but don't throw away the skins. That's where the magic is. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Drop 2 whole peels into the jar. Cut the third peel into smaller pieces to help it release nutrients faster, and add that too. Fill the jar with cold filtered water. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It boosts beneficial microorganisms and speeds up decomposition, making nutrients more accessible to plants. Pour in a bit of vinegar to help balance the pH. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit overnight. Nature will do the rest. After 24 hours, your fertilizer is ready. Use this natural elixir once a week. Your plants will be so full of flowers, they'll practically bow under the weight. All thanks to this one simple mixture. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to make your daffodils grow faster and bloom more. Start by preparing a tall glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of wood ash. It provides potassium and phosphorus, boosting blooming. Now add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. Coffee is rich in nitrogen, which supports plant growth and improves soil structure. The next ingredient is dried banana peel. Blend it and add 1 tablespoon to the container. Banana peel is a great source of potassium and calcium, which strengthen the roots and support flower development. Pour in water and mix everything well. Then strain the liquid through a cheesecloth into another container. Your fertilizer is ready. Before using, dilute it in a 1-to-1 ratio. Water your daffodils every 2 weeks. You'll see results in just a few days. Faster growth, bigger flowers, and more vibrant blooms. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. In April, I add this to the water and water the pansies. They have 3 times more flowers. Pansies are one of the most popular ornamental plants that add color and freshness to gardens and balconies. To ensure abundant and long-lasting blooming, it is important to provide the right location, regular watering, and fertilization. It's worth using natural fertilizers to support their growth. The fertilizer made from this fruit's peels is #1 for pansies. Bananas and their peels contain many substances that pansies love, including potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicon acid, and sulfur. Cut the banana peels into smaller pieces. 1 or 2 banana peels are enough. Place the chopped peels into a jar. Pour a liter of warm water and close the jar. Leave it for a day. The next day, strain the peels. Water the pansies with this liquid. Banana peel fertilizer is an excellent way to provide essential nutrients for plants, supporting their healthy growth and intense blooming. Use this fertilizer once every 2 weeks, and your pansies will decorate your garden and balcony with vibrant colors until autumn. Just 1 cup is all it takes, and your orchid will bloom more abundantly than ever before. Forget chemical fertilizers. This natural homemade solution will bring your orchids and other houseplants back to life. To make the fertilizer, you need an ingredient many people already have in their kitchen pantry: lentils. They're rich in phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins C, B6, A, and K. Everything your plants need to grow strong and healthy. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of lentils to a container. Pour in about 1 liter, roughly 4 cups, of warm water. Let the mixture sit for a few hours. Then strain it through a sieve into another container. Use this liquid fertilizer once a week. To prepare a second version, put 3 tablespoons of lentils into a blender and grind them into a fine powder. This amount is enough for several pots. Sprinkle a small amount of the powder onto the surface of the soil and gently mix it in. The nutrients will release slowly and support your orchid's growth over time. You can repeat the treatment after 2 weeks. This natural fertilizer also works wonders for other houseplants, helping them stay healthy, strong, and full of vibrant blooms.